Hello friends, my name's Christopher and I love gardening. My love for gardening started many, many years ago, and it's grown and changed throughout the years as I've learned many things. So today I'm starting a series showing appreciation for the people that I've learned things from. So this is going to be one video out of many where I recognize different YouTubers or people in my life who have taught me things. So we're starting today with how my garden has been influenced by Luke from the MIgardener channel. So maybe we should start this video a little differently.
Well, hello everyone, welcome to another very exciting episode right here on the
Midwest Man Mountain Home and Garden DIY channel. Luke is a wonderful and very excitable person. He talks a lot. I think his videos are a good length. They're the kind of video that I like to have on. I like to be watching it, but I can zone out and have it on in the background because he's talking the entire time, often in one or two or three individual shots. So just talking from his heart for long periods of time. And I think that's an interesting, a good sign of a great gardener. You know, he has a lot of knowledge that he has learned over the years, and he can expand upon it at length on pretty much any topic. It's really very impressive. I've been watching his videos for at least 5 years, but he's been around quite a lot longer than that. He is based out of Michigan, so if you've wondered what MIgardener is, that's Michigan. So that's a little bit east of here in Wisconsin. His gardening zone is a little bit warmer than mine. I'm 5A, I think he's 6A or 6B, but that's still pretty close. A lot of the things that he talks about and the examples that he shows are really applicable to me. So I catch a lot of MIgardener. One of the ways that the MIgardener has directly influenced how I garden in this space here, this year we built all of these great raised beds that you can see behind me over here. We built 8 of them in total. And we didn't ship in a single thing of dirt. We filled all of them in using the dirt that we had just in the ground. We've been using the soil, we've been growing in it for years. It was great soil. So these beds were filled halfway just straight up with the clay from the ground, and then the top half was a mixture of the, the soil around it, some perlite, wood chips, and different things to loosen the soil up. I've got a lot of heavy clay here in Oshkosh, so amending that soil has really helped me grow root vegetables in particular. And it was super easy to plant everything this year in the raised beds. I could just move things aside, put it in there, and pack it and go. So thank you, Luke, for your great suggestion and that wonderful video on filling raised beds with the dirt that you already have. You know, make use out of what's free, what's around you, and what you've already been growing in. Well, if you subscribe to this channel, you've been watching my videos, I'm sure you're probably already subscribed to the MIgardener channel. He's very prolific. He's got like 250,000 subs and just tons of videos. I think there was a time when he was putting out a video every single day. That might still be what it is. I don't know. I subscribe to way too many channels. I don't catch everything every single day. But he puts out a lot of good material. Many of those have hundreds of thousands. I think he's got some million view videos. My favorite video that I ever watched from MIgardener channel was from a couple years ago. I think he was on some beach and he dug up some old asparagus. The video is something like, look at this 15-plus-year-old asparagus that he dug up, and it's a picture of him with this, asparagus, and it looked like an alien plant, and it was such a captivating thumbnail and a really interesting video. So I'll link that up here, of course. You can go check it out. Lots of good things. I have gained other knowledge from him that I've used in the garden here, but I just wanted to focus in on one thing. I've already said he's prolific, he does a great job, he's fun to watch, very smart. It's nice to see content out there from a gardener who's about my age too. That's kind of cool. And I think recently he just purchased a shop. He's opening a physical space. I think that was coming sometime later in 2018. But he's been selling seeds. He's got his own seed company. And I should probably get some MIgardener seeds to sow in here next year. So anyways, Luke, thank you for your content. I love it. Thank you for helping me become a better gardener. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time.
As always, this is
Christopher
from the MIgardener channel reminding you to grow big or go home. I'll catch you all later. See ya. Bye.
Yeah, what Luke said. Happy gardening, guys. Bye.